Hi there, my name is Andrew Larter from marketingsharks.com. This is fresh out today called AI Ebook Hub. And it creates, as they say, they're not an ebook creator, they're a business in a box that generates all sorts of quick ebooks and can generate traffic and sales from that. So first off, I like to start at the finish, $17 for this software for the front end offer. Secondly, there is a $3 and a $4 off discount coupon code listed at my site. So you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Take your pick or see which one works, whatever for you, the $3 and $4 off one. And then there's a demo video there. All the upgrade offers are listed there, as well as a pretty good description of this. Let's just take a quick look through the steps here. Let's see if I can show you this. So obviously log in, blah, 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 enter, pick any keyword or select any niche, and then it will generate from that the ebooks. Publish and profit. Within 90 seconds, you'll have a jaw-dropping ebook, Flipbook, Crossword, KidsBook, and more. Ignore the part down here. I don't know what they're showing affiliate sales as. I'm going to skip past that. Much more than an ebook. You can generate flipbooks, crosswords, puzzles, kids books, Ecovers, ebooks with just a few clicks. $17, $4 off discount coupon code at my site brings it down to $13. So click the link, go check out AI Ebook Hub, fresh out today. I think you're going to love what it does. I'm Andrew Larter from marketingsharks.com. There's a $3 one popped up, and there's a $4 off one listed at my site that you might prefer to use. So I click the link in the video description, go to my site at marketingsharks.com, go check out AI Ebook Hub. Enjoy.